Good day, viewers. You are welcome. Let's solve this equation. To solve this equation, we will first of all look at the base. These are having different bases. It's not the same base. These are also having different bases. Now, we are given that log 3 divided by log 2 is equal to 8 over 5. Now, to solve things like this, what we have to do first is to introduce log into both sides. To introduce log, so introduce log to both sides. So we have to take this and we say log 3 raised to the power of x is equal to log 2 raised to the power of 3y plus 1. To further solve this, under the law of logarithm, recall that when you have log a raised to the power of n, okay, this can come over here. So we have n to the log of a. Let's apply that here. Applying that here, it means this x comes over here. So we have x log 3 is equal to, all this comes over here. So we have 3y plus 1 log 2. The next thing we have to do, we want this to be in the form of this. So we must have it in the form of log 3 divided by log of 2. So we have log of 3. So to divide it by log of 2, we divide both sides by log of 2. So here, we divide by log of 2. Okay. We divide by log of 2. So this cancels, log 2 cancels log 2. So we have log 3 divided by log 2 in this format. But the next thing we have to do, we have to take away this x. So which means we still have to divide both sides by x. Dividing both sides by x, so we have something like this, divided by x, divided by x. So x cancels x. So we are now left with log, okay, 3 divided by log of 2 is equal to 3y plus 1 divided by x. Now, the next thing we have to do here is that, remember that log of 3 divided by log of 2 is equal to 8 over 5. Is equal to 8 over 5. So we have to say this is equal to 8 over 5. So this gives us something to solve. So to solve this now, cross multiplication. So this comes over here to multiply, and this goes over here to multiply. So 5 multiplied by this. So we have 5 into 3y plus 1 is equal to 8x. That is, this multiplied by this. So we have to open this bracket. 5 times 3y, that should give us 15y plus 5 times 1, that should be 5, is equal to 8x. Now, the next thing we have to do is this. This 5y comes over here. Now, the 5y here is plus, invisible plus, okay? It comes over here and becomes minus. So it means we have 5 is equal to 8x minus 15y. Now, let's switch. This comes over here. So we have 8x minus 15y is equal to 5. This is our equation 3. Now, to resolve the second one, that we have here, which is this and this, we do the same thing. To solve this, so we have to say this 2 raised to the power of 2, that's 4, okay, into x minus 1 is equal to now 12. We can split 12 down. 2 in 12, we have 6. 2 in 6, that's 3. 3 in 3, that's 1. It means 12 can be written as 2 raised to the power of 2 times 3. So we put that here. 2 raised to the power of 2 multiplied by 3, or raised to the power of 2y plus 1. What we have to do now is to split this. Okay. Recall that when we have a raised to the power of n, look at this. When you have a power, let me say, recall a times b all raised to the power of n is the same thing as a raised to the power of n times b raised to the power of n. We apply that here. It means we have here 2 into 2 raised into 2 into x minus 1 is equal to 2 raised to the power of 2 into this. Okay, we are applying this formula now. It's being distributed times 2 raised to the power of 2y plus 1, as we have it there. So the next thing we have to do is this 3 raised to the power of, that's 3 raised to the power of. The next thing we have to do, we divide both sides by this. Divide both sides by this. So we have to say divided by 2 raised to the power of 2 into 2y plus 1. 2 raised to the power of 2 into 2y plus 1. This cancels this. So the next thing we have here is 2. Let's open this bracket. 2 into 2x minus 2. Okay. Divided by this. 2 into 4y plus 2. We use to open this bracket. Is equal to this. 3 raised to the power of 2y plus 1. This have common basis. We have to recall that when you have a raised to the power of n divided by a raised to the power of n, it will give us a raised to the power of n minus n. So using that here, so it means we have, these are common. So we have 2 to the power of 2x minus 2. This will now give us minus 4y plus 2 is equal to 3 raised to the power of 2y plus 1. So to open this bracket now, so you have 2 raised to the power of 2x minus 2, okay, minus 4y minus multiplied by plus, that's minus 2, is equal to 3 raised to the power of 2y plus 1. Solving this, so we have 2, now this and this are left hand, so we have 2x minus 4y minus 2 minus 2, that's minus 4, okay, is equal to 3 raised to the power of 2y plus 1, which is this. The next thing we have to do is to introduce log. So introducing logarithm now. Introducing log to both sides. Now we have log of 2 raised to the power of 2x minus 4y minus 4 is equal to log of 3 raised to the power of 2y plus 1. Okay. We have to recall that when you have log of a raised to the power of n, this can come here. So we have n log of a. So from there, this can come over here. So we have 2x minus 4y minus 4 log of 2 is equal to 2y, this one comes here, plus 1 log of 3. Remember that we are given that log of 3 over log of 2 is equal to 8 over 5. So to have this pattern, we must have log of 3 divided by log of 2. Therefore, we divide both sides by log of 2. So which means this side divided by log of 2, this side divided by log of 2. This cancels this. So we have log of 3 over log of 2, which is in this format. But now this is a barrier. So we have to divide both sides by 2y plus 1, 2y plus 1. This cancels this. So what do we have over there? So we have 2x minus 4y minus 4 divided by 2y plus 1 is equal to log 3 over log 2, and which means it is 8 over 5. So we say 8 over 5, which is the same thing as log 3 over log 2. So we have this equation to solve. So what do we now do? Cross multiplication. 5 comes here. So we have 5 into 2x minus 4y minus 4 is equal to 8 into 2y plus 1. 5 times 2, so that gives us 10x minus 20y minus 20. To give us 8 times 2, that gives us 16y plus 8. From there, minus 20, this comes over here and this goes to that side. So when this comes here, this is plus, it's changed to minus. So we have 10x minus 20y minus 16y coming here is equal to 8 minus 20 comes over here plus 20. So we have 10x minus 20y minus 16y is equal to 28. Minus 20 minus 16, that should give us minus 36. So 10x minus 36y is equal to 28. Mind you, this can be divided by 2 throughout. Okay, so we have to say divided by 2, 2 and 2. 10x divided by 2, we have 5x. 36 divided by 2. So 36 divided by 2, we have 18. That's 2 in 3. 18y is equal to 14. Let's call this equation 4. Minus 15y is equal to 5. That's equation 3. Now, to solve this, we have to eliminate this. To eliminate this, 8 we multiply this equation. That is, 8 we multiply this, and 5 we multiply this equation. So 8 times 5, so we have 40. So we have 40. 40x minus 8 times 18. So we have 144y. 8 times this, we have 112. This gives equation 5. So multiply 5 by 8. Here we still have 40x minus 5 times 15, that's 75y, is equal to 5 times 5, that gives 25. This gives equation 6. Subtracting the two equations from each other. Subtracting the two equations from each other. So it means we have this minus this minus this collapse. We have minus 144y minus 75y is equal to 112 minus 25. Minus times minus, we have minus 144y plus 75y is equal to this minus this. So we have 112 minus 25 minus 144 plus 75, we have minus 69y is equal to This minus this, that give us 87. Having this, so we have to divide both sides by minus 69. So minus 69 y is equal to 87 divided by minus 69 divided by minus 69. So the actual thing here is y is equal to 87 divided by this, so minus 29 over 23, because this can be divided by 3 and this can be divided by 3. So it goes in that manner. So this is our y. To get our x, we substitute this into equation 1. So our equation 1 is 8x minus 15y is equal to 5. Substituting this for y, so you have 8x minus 15 into minus 29 over 23 is equal to 5. So we have 8x minus times minus, that should be plus. 15 times 29, 435 divided by 23 is equal to 5. Okay. So now this 5, we take this over here. So you have 8x is equal to 5. This minus 435 over 23 over 1. Finally, the LCM. 8x is equal to, this is 23. 1 in 23, 23. 23 times 5, 115 minus 435. 8x is equal to 320 minus 320 over 23. Now, to get our x, we divide both sides by 8. Dividing this by 8 and dividing this by 8. So our answer to that effect, after dividing, we will get minus 40 over 23. So this is our answer for x. This is the answer for y, and this is the answer for x. Now, thank you for watching this video. Subscribe for more. Expect more video. Thank you. See you later.